Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're visiting to your channel for a first time, then this is my small introduction. I'm thankful for each and every member because it's just you and just you who is helping me and this channel to grow. I thoroughly enjoy learning and sharing software development languages and technologies with you. It's a mission which I am trying to drive to share knowledge with everyone whose aim is to establish career in software. Please keep watching, sharing and motivating others to subscribe to your channel. Also press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Thank you. Let's start learning. Today is day 14 and we are going to talk about a new topic in Experience Cloud, that is how to enable chat agent. Now, just to explain you the chat agent, I have already uploaded this video in the channel. I will explain you in a very easy language, and this will help you to develop understanding by having a visual, the effect. And then I will start with the in-depth step-by-step configuration explanation. So chat agent is nothing but a tool, a technology which actually helps a customer to interact with the support agent. Customer creates a case, and that the case will be assigned to a available support agent. So here you can see one, this is a Salesforce where I have the Omni channel. So this is the the Omni channel we use to interact with the customer, and customer. And this is the one community we have, one site we have, and there we have this technology chat agent, which we are using to interact with the customer. I will share you the link in the description so that you can have a look. Now, coming back to enable the chat agent, we need, as you have seen, that we need one community, okay, and that is the one requirement we have. So because if you're watching the day 14 of the series, so I'm sure that you have you know how to create the community and how to use it. Now let us start with the steps to enable the chat agent. Okay, I'm duplicating this window. And from here, I will click service setup. Okay. Then from this, this is you have to remember that I have clicked the service setup. Okay. Not simple setup. Okay. Then we have to go to home tab. And the home tab, this is the home tab. And then we have to click on view all. So this kind of, the window will open, and then we have to search for chat with customer. Now you will click on start. Give the name as, any the name you can give. So I'm giving as day 14. Okay. And you can also give the name of this group, like day 14 chat agents. Now from here you will select the users. Okay, this, I mean, for these users, you are enabling your chat agent, and you will click on next. Okay, you have given your name. So I mean, this is one the already I have created, so that's why you are seeing the priority option here. Now this is important factor we have, work size, which is the, I mean, in which you have the two options, work item size and the agent capacity. So you can consider like, you can understand that, in this way, that this is a, your the queue of the cases, and we have the four cases here. Now each case, now work size means what? Each case is of size 5. Okay, you can consider it this as a I mean, as a point. Let's say, the how many cases a support agent has handled. So this is something you can consider it like this way. Total agent capacity is your how many cases is the agent can handle. Okay, so for example, if the total, I mean, the agent capacity is 20, so 20 divided by 5. 5 is work size item. Okay, so in total 4 cases a support agent can handle. Hope this is clear. So you can, you can change it according to your requirement, your organization. You can change it. Now this is, the one of the the website URL. I mean, this is the, you can put your domain here. Okay, so I'm going into the domain. Okay, and then you can use your domain. Okay, now here you have the option of say service just contact. So I will be going with service. Clear? I hope till this step, the everything is clear. And your initial, the by default, your status, I mean, the offline status should be this. I mean, it should not be on. Okay. Because once, I mean, the agent will be available, then, then only it should show as on. Now this code, let's say if you're creating your custom page or, the custom component, then you can use your code to, to put this code into, I mean, into your the custom the page or component. Okay, if you're not using, then no issue, then, then there is no need of the copying into the clipboard, and then click on done. Okay, we have completed our first part. Now there's another step we have, that is we have to modify the chat agent window. Okay, so how we can do it? Let's see. From the service item only, type deployment. In case if you do not see this option, just refresh it. Now you can see here, this is already available. Click on edit. And there are, the few, the settings are available. So just, let's see one by one. So, I mean, let us first of all do one thing. Let us, update the chat window name. This one. Okay. And with whom? So let me. Okay. Now you can, the based on your requirement, you can, the check and uncheck these checkbox. Okay. And if you, if you put your some branding thing, then you can do it. If you are not, the interested, then no issue. Okay. Now, what next? We have to create a now a skill. I mean, let's say a skill means what? Let's say you are, I mean, just for example, let's say there's an, the community we have uh, where the we have the SMEs of different domains. So just for example, uh, a automobile customer wants to interact with the agent. Okay, so automobile, I mean two-wheeler expert will be will be different. Four-wheeler experts will be different. Commercial vehicle will be, the experts will be different. So this way you can, the create an skills. So that's the right, the case, right? The communicate, the customer will connect with the right agent. Let us create how. So here we have the skills, chat skills. Okay, create new, and let's say you give the name as back support. Okay, then you can, the search for the available users. So users, the users for which you have enabled this chat communication in a very first step. Okay, and also you have the profile here. Okay, so I'm going to select the view profile here like this. And say why I'm not, selecting the user, because the users maybe, I will add later on as well. So it's better to go for the profile option. Clear? Now I have to create a chat agent configuration. Now here I will type chat here and I will get a chat agent configuration. Then I will click new. Okay, I will give the, the chat configuration name like, web support configuration. Okay, and then, the again I have the, the few the settings available here, like, the if you want to hear a sound, then, there's an option you can check this. this checkbox. Notification. I mean, this is something when, let's say, uh, I mean, there's a possibility, that the chat agent might have opened a different number of tabs. So, and this is the, the just for example, this is the, the tab we have, in which our, the window is open, which we will receive. I mean, the chat agent or support agent will receive new, the new cases. So not to miss. So this is a notification enabled we have. Okay. Okay. So let's enable this. Okay. And let's say we have, let's say you want to, give a, by default, I mean, as soon as, the chat agent, or support agent accepted your request, that you should, the uh, automatically welcome, the message should be displayed to the customer. So you can, use it here. We already have, the merge fields here. So just for example, the visitor name. So you can use like this. You can use this way. Okay. I mean, there are a few other settings you will find it here. Okay. And again, the option of, the assign the profile we have. So you can even select the profile, the same profile I'm going to select here. Okay. If you need that, the supervisor can the can review your activity, your chat, then you have the option enabled here. There's also an option available. Let's say you stuck somewhere and you need a help of supervisor, then you can raise a flag. This should be available here. There's an option, the of transferring your chat. Let's say you need to transfer the chat to. I mean, you notice that this is something out of scope for you. You are not expert in this, so you have a dedicated team for the customers' questions or what customers ask. You can, always, you can, the transfer the chat by selecting here. Okay. And these are the few options we have. Let us save. Now, once we have done this, we have to add the chat agent to the service console. So what I can do is I can type app here. Okay. And from the app manager, I'm sorry. Now we have to search for the, the service console app. This one. I'm going to click on edit here. And from here, I will click on navigation items. Now from the navigation items, I can, the type here chat sessions. I will, I will add this. Okay. And if you need to move, to any other position, then you can do it from here. Okay, like for example, it will enable and you can do it. Okay, click save, and then you can click back. Okay, so hope till this point your every step is clear to you. In case if you think that there's a question, then you can always ask. Now we have done the settings here. There are a few steps we have to the do it in the community. So let us do there. So I'm going into the community now, and I will click the builder, because from the component I will open. I will I will add this component.
So because of the issues in the Mozilla browser, I am now using the Chrome browser, and I will suggest you to do all these steps in the Chrome browser. Let me open this community. And you will see this kind of the message. So don't worry, just copy it, paste it here, go to setting, security, you will choose this one, add trusted site. So you will give the name here, okay, and you will copy. Okay, add site. Now its status is active. Okay, everything is good now. Okay, now publish. Meanwhile, I'm going to open my app here. Right now I'm offline. Okay, agent is offline. As soon as I make it as online, chat with an expert. So this is available here. You accepted it. And this is the message, the welcome message you have decided. So it's available here. Now, whatever you would type here, it will go here. Okay. So hope you have liked the complete, in-depth steps how to configure your chat, and how this the work how this is going to help your business. So please do like the video, share with your colleagues, your friends, and remember, more you will love, more the motivation I will get. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the session. I will be soon uploading the next day 15 session, and parallelly I'm also updating the courses available, like administration course, Apex course, Lightning course, JSON, JavaScript, every course. And yes, the new course I'm going to introduce is integration. Thank you. Take care. Bye.